Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the Keystone Correction on your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate to the settings button with our pilot and then press OK. From here, click on the projector settings and scroll down to the Keystone Correction. Click OK and you'll be able to manage Keystone Correction settings. The first one is Keystone Correction, and if you press on it, you'll be able to adjust and tune the diameter of the screen that is shutting on the wall. So if you, for example, click Quick Adjustment, you'll be able to lower at a certain angle. Press OK to save it and you'll be able to crop the image as well. Now let's return, and you can also click on Fine Tuning, and that way you'll be able to tune the crop like that. The next option is Auto Keystone, and if you enable it, it will automatically adjust the Keystone Correction for you. Next option is Auto Keystone Calibration, and if you press on it, it will ask to reset before the device before calibration. Press reset, and then it will ask you to move the device. If it's not in the right diameter between the wall, it will ask you to put it more further away from the wall, and then it will calibrate. But for the purpose of this video, I don't have it that far away from the wall, just to make you see it better. So just follow the guidelines after doing putting the projector far from the wall. And that's it for the settings and for the video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.